Starting recording. All right. What is going on, guys? We got a Honda Pilot that's stuck down below in a ditch. Come on now. Unlock. Oh, there you go. Trying to get the tow hitch. Well, let me go ahead and put the tow hitch on there. Oh, shit. I'm good. Ooh.
Change right here.
All right, that's in.
Let's back your truck up. Back up. What? Back your truck up.
Let's try getting as much less length. That way it holds on much better.
And also,
there you go.
The aspect of it's a rental, not a. Where's that other chain at? It's already hooked up. Okay, it's already hooked.
Yeah, it's hooked to the receiver right there.
All right. So, I say let's add this extra chain in just so get some extra length. So I'm on the actual concrete. Yeah.
Y'all gonna try slingshot it in?
Yeah.
All right.
Well, here, my truck's already in position. Keep yours up out of the way. I don't feel.
Yeah, I'll keep my vehicle right there.
Back your car up. I'm gonna pull up behind him.
Huh?
I'm gonna pull back up behind him. So if I have to assist pulling him back, I can.
Okay, sounds good. I'm gonna grab my gloves just in case.
Traffic for just a minute so I can get back in front of him.
All right. All right, you go ahead. No, we're trying to stop traffic because we're trying to pull this vehicle out.
Yeah, I was the one with the lady that.
Oh, okay, I got you.
These are my buddies.
All right, got you. Grab my gloves real quick. It's kind of cold. I should have worn my boots. And my employee put my gloves up here. Cool. Or not. Not cool. That was my old hat.
What we're gonna do? Get you to back up, like further back.
Further back?
Kind of swing this way, so traffic can.
Yeah, I got you. I'm trying to find my other glove just in case y'all need me for anything.
I got a glove. I don't have gloves in my truck.
I got gloves, so. Yep, I got gloves.
We're using you for lights.
Oh, yeah. All right. Let's go ahead and close that. Move back some. All right. It's probably not going to work that way.
I'm in, so
That's the transmission. Hey, press the gas while you're in reverse. Let me see.
It says low engine, low oil.
It's already done.
Hey,
Hey,
hey, we can't.
it can't get it out.
Low oil.
Yeah, it drained all the oil.
Thing. Full pan got it. We can drag it out. It's just gonna be dead weight.
Nah, I mean it's stuck in there when it's down there.
We're gonna try to snatch it. If it snaps, we'll go. I've already pulled out 3 cars.
It got the oil cooler.
Whatever we want to do.
Yeah.
Try. I just want to try. Disabled veteran. Let me get my truck. Alright. I'm gonna go down there and get some cars coming up the hill. Alright. I don't want to break them out.
Don't worry, I'll slow them down. Hell, my lights slow everybody down.
What I'm worried about is I'm gonna keep sliding. We got that sign right there. Yeah, he's got it.
Y'all gonna try slingshot it?
I'm gonna let him snatch it because damn, I don't want to take the liability on snatching it.
Yeah.
No, is there a puddle down there?
No, because the oil cooler,
It got the oil cooler.
Oil cooler.
I mean, that
is
ain't
busted.
that bad, but it probably totaled
It's-
the truck.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Well, I told her
But-
we'll try to get it into the parking lot or off the road.
If we pull it, we're
Well, it's already off the road, so.
Well,
it is off the road.
Yeah.
The way that she's down in that ditch, did it lock up or was it just low oil and you shut it off?
It started right up.
It shut off. He cut it off.
Yeah,
It
turn
said
it
low
off.
oil.
Yeah. Yeah, cause it started knocking and everything, so.
Yeah, you don't want to run it too long like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is a dead pull. I think it's going to be a struggle no matter what effort we take. Yeah, we're going to be dead up out of that ditch. But now we got traction. We're going to try it. If I had a winch and some Scotch blocks, yeah, I'd be able to anchor down on this shit. But I don't have any of that.
I know.
Yeah, my employee is all the way up there. And he's got the winch cables and everything.
What, is he pulling people out up there?
Huh?
Is he pulling people out up there?
Right now he's doing like a couple jobs for like basic shit like tire changes.
He's got a
and-
kinetic rope. Chain
Yeah.
is not something you snatch with. No, fuck no. Look right here. The kinetic rope is going to pull that pitch and it's going to snap. Kinetic ropes are dangerous, but they're not as dangerous as snatching with chain. Yeah. So.
He said he was going to turn his vehicle around.
All right. I'm way back there. Disconnect from the hitch right there too. I don't know how you hook that up, bro. I can't get that bitch in. You gotta take the
Yeah, the clevis.
off. Yeah, you gotta take the clevis off and slip it all out. Mike, grab a chain and throw it in the bed of my truck.
Well, the chain's still attached, buddy.
What about the other chain? There was 2 chains out here.
All right.
It's all connected in one. Still, so.
There, I'll just keep that with the chain.
Yeah, just take that and toss it in the bed of my truck.
Both of them?
That hurts. Yeah, I should have grabbed my other one.
All right.
The only problem I have here is that sign.
Yeah, I know. That's the only downfall.
I guess where y'all want me to hook this thing to?
Oh, what are you thinking?
Nah, not the hitch.
Not the hitch?
Not the hitch.
I mean, hell, if we had a winch and everything.
Oh, I was gonna tie it to the pin. Or I was gonna pull the receiver and slide it in.
Here, it's my hitch, so I can pull the hitch off.
That fucking hurt, bro. Hey, y'all. I don't recommend. That fucking hurt.
What?
You didn't see me bust my ass.
I didn't.
I guarantee you it's on your video.
You know, I
I
need to
didn't.
grab my other one.
All right. Go right there.
Let's move out of the way, guys. Need any help? We're gonna give it a shot with this. See what it does. Just staying clear, guys.
Yeah, we don't want to have that
Hey,
snap at us.
No, it won't go in neutral. It should. Once you put it into a gear, it just starts going crazy. You should be able to put it in neutral. You should be able to put it in neutral accessory. Hold on, we're gonna put it in neutral. Hold on. I'm gonna try to put it in neutral. I'm trying to snatch it out.
I lived in Alaska for 6 years, so.
You got the capabilities. Yeah, I mean, I'm from Pennsylvania. I was born and raised up there. This ain't like up there because this shit ain't even treated. That's where a lot of people are going wrong right now. Yeah. This ain't even treated. Hey, I'm gonna have to sit in it.
Huh?
You don't.
No, you don't.
As soon as I take off my foot off the. Hold up. Is it good? It says shift to park, shift to park. That's fine, cut it off. Make sure the car's off. All right, now get out. No, it went straight to park. Hit the accessory button. Don't hit the brake, hit the accessory button twice. All right, now put your foot on the brake, shift it to neutral. It's not doing anything?
Yeah, it's one of those things. Golly. That's the only problem with the electronic shifts.
That's a kinetic rope right there. Is it, yeah, it's electronic. I can't even hit
Yeah,
the
it's all-
bypass on that bitch. It won't go
Yeah,
in neutral?
there is no bypass on it.
Huh? I think it's so slick it might. All right.
Stay out of the line of fire.
I like the idea you just stated. If this doesn't get it to even move,
Yeah.
go! Side by side, you want to go.
That's not going to do anything.
Get off the fucking car.
Almost. Keep tugging.
On again! Snatch! Snatch it! I can do it. Try it again. Hell no. Hey, get more of a snatch with it. Yeah, like that. I keep slide punching to the side. Boy, this got me worried. Keep doing that. Hey, hold up. Jump in it, hold that bitch in neutral. I'm gonna sit in it, okay? Leave accessory mode on whenever you get into neutral. No, I have to literally start the vehicle for it to go into neutral.
Yeah, you do.
You do. Really? That's so fucking There should be.
There's an officer here.
There should be a bypass. Yeah.
Did the bag go off?
Yeah, all bags went off.
Yeah.
Why not? Oh well.
Yeah, I'll get with the officer. How's it going, sir?
What's going on?
Not much. She just kind of lost control of the vehicle. Black ice slid off the road. Airbags deployed. We're just trying to dig it out of the ditch. And the vehicle will not go into drive. engine is all messed up, so they're gonna arrange for a tow. We're just trying to save some time.
She's at the house. I took her to the house. She was completely fine. I can try to get the address.
So is she not wanting to do a report then?
I guess not.
Okay. Nothing was damaged though? She missed the sign?
Front end. No,
I mean like
Is-
no road damage.
No,
Okay.
no.
No damage, just the car went off in the ditch and it hit the culvert, but it didn't do anything to that
Who all
concrete
was in the
culvert.
car? Was it just
It
her?
was just her. Just her.
You guys smell any alcohol on her?
Yes. Did you? I smelt it when she got out of the car. I didn't pick her up. He did. And took her home, and he called me, told me that they were car in a ditch.
That's why she didn't want it.
And she don't have insurance.
Hmm.
We told her we were gonna drag it onto the road and then let her get a tow truck.
I was just
Because she
passing
was
by.
a disabled veteran, and she was,
So am I.
yeah. And we said we'll help you get it onto the road.
That's no excuse though.
Yeah. We told her all we're doing is getting her on the road. He knows where she lives though.
Yeah.
She's at her house now. You can't do much, can you?
No, not really. If she was still here, I can.
Yeah.
But with
She was crying and all kinds of stuff.
She has kids at the house by themselves.
doesn't give you any right to drink and drive.
No,
No,
100%
no.
agree.
I know what y'all would have told me to.
We didn't
No,
know.
probably.
I didn't even know.
I'm just
This is the first I'm hearing of that.
I smelt it as soon as she got out of the car, and I got out, and she was talking to me face to face.
26 Central.
Are you allowed to pull it out or?
I'll probably just move my vehicle over here.
Watson eastbound at this location is going to be shut down.
Yeah, I'm gonna move my vehicle out here.
Are we allowed to pull it out?
Sir, am I good to move my vehicle?
Yeah, I'll do it
Yeah.
right now. Hey, Kyle,
Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and move my vehicle. I'll be right back.
Alright. You got one?
Huh?
You got a
Your
lighter?
lighter?
A lighter?
Yeah.
Like a
Cigarette lighter?
yeah.
I promise I won't take it.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna try maneuvering my vehicle over there so that I
Which
can
one's
direct
yours?
people. That's my vehicle, one with all the lights.
Oh, that means I got to move mine.
Yeah. I'll probably light one up too while I'm out here. Oh man, drinking and driving.
They'll get you every time.
Yeah. Let me grab a cigarette too. Gonna have to find another route. I can't leave here because I got my tow hitch receiver in there. if you're fine with it and everything, I move my vehicle over there so I can direct traffic around.
Yeah.
Get them to
that's
turn
fine.
around.
Oh well, we got them. They gotta move too if you're gonna move traffic.
And I'm out in the middle of the road too.
Well, right now we're not gonna be able to
It's
move
just-
anything because he's pulling this way. Yeah,
Good,
go. Snatch a snatch.
You think we can get multiple, like 2 cars on it?
I can get the ram on it if I have to. Hey, you think?
Hey, whoa, 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 whoa!
Hey, I'm just adjusting the truck.
All right, I see it. Hey, you think 2 vehicles pulling at the same time will help? We might be able to pull it that way now.
Logan, only thing I'd be worried about 2 vehicles right now. You know, essentially 2 vehicles going together. The 2 vehicles are gonna pull together if that thing don't want to move.
Almost. I mean, it's getting close, but he's sliding towards that sign.
You're getting close to that sign over there.
Hey,
Hey,
if we unhook, can you move your truck more this way?
It ain't gonna come up with that wheel turn. It's dragging so much shit over here.
Yeah.
Then it turned the wheel.
I can turn the wheel. It's getting hung up on whatever's down there.
You moved it that last snap. Good. Yeah, you can turn the wheel.
It's just dirt.
It's just dirt.
It's just dirt.
Like an anchor.
Okay, turn that wheel straight.
If you unhook and move your truck more this way, we can drag it up more this way.
Yeah, snatch it this way.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, yeah, let it get out and you're good. Hey, I'd back up and come this way. That's all I'm gonna
Here. Yeah, let me unhook you so you can move.
Alright, you good? Alright, get moving.
All right, move around over here. All right. Right about. All right, you're good. There you go. Yep. No.
That got close. That got close. Might need a tow truck for that little bit left. Yeah. Roll back. Come right here. That was close. That's why I stopped. Let me go ask him if he can get a tow truck here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna get.
No, I would say try it one more time, but don't hit the gas so hard.
If I don't
Nah,
hit it hard,
it's too steep.
yeah. If I don't hit it hard, I
vehicle.
can't get enough momentum to get a snatch on it.
Yeah.
We got it part way up. That might help out.
I mean, we could possibly hook up 2 trucks to try to pull it slow. Because 2 trucks have 2 power wheels on that. I mean, you got the ram up there. Go ahead, hook it.
Oh, we got a heavier Ram.
Yeah.
Because yeah.
I got mine up there. It's a diesel.
Yeah.
Oh.
No offense.
Let's see if he
It's just got
can.
that force.
Because I can't go.
Change to the front of his.
The road's getting so slick now. We're just gonna say.
I mean, it's worth a shot. That's all we did.
Oh, he does have a 4-wheel drive. Does he have the tires?
Yeah. Tow truck's already on its way.
Okay.
Yeah. I was thinking about that. Okay. He's only moving straight in line the way he's pulling. So you go ahead and hook another truck in front of him. All you're gonna do is you're gonna pull him over that way even more and put
That's
him
what I
on
was
that side.
That's what I say. It's just too slick.
Yeah. Okay, so I say let's disperse out of here.
Yeah,
and-
before more cops show up.
There you go.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna give the top speed.
I'm gonna go ahead and get my tow hitch.
I tried. Hey, you moved it.
You moved it about good 12 feet, at least.
I don't think I'm still moving at all. Yeah, I don't have a kinetic rope, otherwise I'd have tried to snatch it. I'm not. No. See, if I would have had my other one,
Yeah, I know.
It's an all steel truck.
Yeah, it's heavy. My 2011 F-250 don't even weigh as much as this truck.
So we're just gonna open up one lane and wait.
They're gonna leave it tonight.
All right.
Alright then.
All right.
What does she want you guys to do with her key?
I'm just a passerby. I don't know them, the lady. I really don't. I was just gonna ask you if it's okay if I drive these boys over there. You're fine.
Yeah. All right. Whenever they get cleared, I'll get cleared. Man, my hands are cold.
You should try the zones. Cancel the tow truck. Hi there.
Hi. My brake just froze up. So, same thing happened to y'all?
No,
No, it's different.
There's a car
Oh.
over off in the ditch.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I ask why you're out on the road?
I'm going to my friend's house. So,
I think that's the best choice with this kind of weather, and
no, I came from Macon, so I was going to spend the night here.
yeah, that's the best choice we're making
Probably not.
with all the weather and
Yeah.
the knowledge and driving experience in the roadway like this.
Yeah, I know.
I've already been to 5 accidents myself tonight.
And I've already pulled like 3 people out of the road because they got stuck.
Right now it's closed, yes.
I'm in front of Maple Bay car wash.
Okay. I'm not a tech expert. I'm not entirely sure if it will. What's that?
I'm trying to get to Water Rapid.
Okay.
What part?
I'm going to, so I know if I were to keep going up straight this way, I just need to know if I turn around if it'll redirect me.
Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna keep going that way, but very slowly. There's gonna be a right-hand turn.
Okay.
It's gonna be very sharp, so be careful around there.
It goes up like that.
And it goes up, and you'll meet up to
Behind the church up here.
Back
Yeah.
up, okay.
yeah.
Thank you. Just had to know. I'm not from here. When I see this closed, I'm like, oh shit, now I'm gonna get lost.
Yeah.
Do you have it on maps?
I know. I just know how to get there, but that's why I went. If I pull it up on my GPS and turn around.
Pull it up on your GPS, and once you start heading back that way and make that right, it'll redirect you.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Be safe out here.
All right, we'll do.
What's going on with her?
She said her brakes locked up.
Like they not working at all.
I don't know. Oh, well, her brakes are working now.
Well, she was going probably too fast.
Probably. I'm gonna switch the flash pattern on that one.
What type of controller are you using?
I'm using an STL controller
All right.
and everything. So it's VTech lighting. I got
Yeah.
lights all over the place.
Yeah.
These are pro strobes.
I have some under my tailgate, but they're not
Yeah.
wired up right now.
Yeah.
I had to wire them.
Yeah.
I gotta get new ones. They're yellowed over.
Yeah.
I used to do roadside assistance.
Yeah. Yeah, I love roadside assistance.
I absolutely love it.
Yeah.
Like they would do any good right now though.
They've been doing great lately.
Well,
Oh. Yeah.
mine are right in here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, but I spent a lot of money on my stuff.
Yeah.
Probably about around $2,800.
You have a good night, sir. Yeah, be safe.
You guys take care, be safe.
All right, will do.
You have a great night, sir.
Yes, sir.
You too. Be safe. You too. Stay warm.
All right.
I'm gonna keep the roadblocks so that way.
Hey, give me 1 second. Ugh.
You going out that way? Yeah. All right. You have a great night. You as well.
All right. So I guess I'm clear to go.
Yeah, I'm letting them get out of here beforehand.
Yeah. All right, they turned around. Everything's good.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you have a good night. I'm gonna run around and see if anybody needs pulling. I know around Russell,
Yep.
like right off of 247, some people were getting stuck up there, so I'm pulling them out.
Yeah, everyone's getting stuck right now because they don't know how to drive.
No, they don't. Not in this weather. I mean, you just gotta drive slow and easy. Don't rely on your brakes and gas to get anywhere. Just ride it out and pray that you keep traction.
Yeah, I avoided a crash earlier because the guy pulled out in the middle of the intersection.
Yeah.
I just feathered the brakes and turned around him.
Yeah. All right. Well, you take it easy. Have a good night.
You too.
Will do.
Oh.
Oh, not private mode. All right, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right, I'm gonna straighten up my lights real quick.
Well, did you have to pull somebody else out?
DUI accident.
Do what?
It was a DUI accident.
A DUI accident?
Yeah, I'm trying to straighten up my lights. Come on. Ah, man. Hold on, I'm trying to get my remote working. Woo. Dang it. I'm stuck over here. Yeah, Warner Robins PD was out here. Let's see.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Ugh. Yeah, they were gonna get a tow truck out here, but no tow truck companies are gonna get this vehicle out of the ditch.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so it's gonna be staying there overnight, and police officers are going to the suspect because apparently what is going on, guys? So today, as you can tell, it is snowing out here. Everybody's driving safe, especially down here, Warner Robins, Georgia, Macon, Georgia, Perry, Georgia, Fort Valley, Byron, Kathleen, everywhere around here. Everybody's been driving safe, but we just got called out to a tire service call, tire change for a 2024 gray Honda CR-V hybrid. They're over at a smoke shop right now. Not sure if they smacked the curb or something like that during this snowy time, because it's very rare for us to actually have snow down here. So we're gonna go ahead and get to this customer as safely as we can. I got my cruise lights on so people around me know, hey, I'm on my way to a call. So let's go ahead and take care of this customer and get this customer back up on the road, and hopefully they safely drive to where they're trying to get to. So let's see what we got. Found it. How's it going? Got a flat tire? All right. Do you love the snow so far?
No.
No. If I can't get a signature real quick, I'll get you situated. And the tire's underneath, right? Or is it in the trunk? Oh, it's right out there already?
No, he didn't put it out there.
Oh, okay. All right. Whew. Gotta zip up my jacket. Oh. Oh, that is wonderful.
Yep. I mean, I'm here. I can take him.
Yeah, I got
how long it was gonna be, so I just sat with him for a minute.
Yeah, with the traffic and everything, with the snow, gotta be careful.
Oh yeah.
You got law enforcement all over the place with their lights on, trying to slow traffic down because people don't know how to drive in the snow.
Yeah. I'm from Missouri.
You're from Missouri?
Yeah, I know.
It's always snowing up there.
What? I just brought you out of the snow, and I brought the snow to Georgia, didn't I?
Yeah. Yeah, it's been 8 years since we had this kind of good snow.
Yeah.
I've been hoping and praying for another snowfall.
Right there.
We just dump it on the ground.
All right, so
Should be.
there you go.
There you go. There is no spare tire, unless nah, can't be. Nope, there is no spare tire.
Didn't you just say you went like?
Yeah.
Is there another place for the spare tire to be? If you ain't got no spare tire, I don't know what else to say.
So you just need to get it towed to the house and get a tire.
All right, so
Where's the tire?
So I can't.
all right, so when I put the claim in, I expected for you to come with a tire.
Yeah, it don't work that way. None of us providers carry extra tires.
So what?
So the only, yeah, I'm gonna have to get it towed to the house. Yeah, it kind of sucks.
Yeah.
Really. Huh? All right. Well, sorry about that. Yeah, not a problem. You have a great night and drive safe. Well, be safe.
Yeah.
Stay warm too.
Yeah.
All right. Oh man. Oh. You know what they say, you win some, you lose some. I gotta make my way back. Let's see. people are camping out over here. So I'm gonna go slowly back to home base because I gotta watch out for black ice around here. That reported as unsuccessful. Incorrect equipment. Alright, so I reported it unsuccessful because the customer does not have an active spare tire to go on the vehicle. So now the only thing that we can do is go back to home base and wait for our next call. My employee is doing a tag team. You gotta slow it down some. Or not tag team, but we're double teaming these calls tonight. Because he's gonna get his impact, his what was it? His impact. He's already got his jack, lockout kit, jump box. So he's gonna get his impact with all his sockets, and he's gonna do some of these calls in his local area since he lives further up north. So he's gonna do all those up there. I'm gonna do the ones down here. Try being safe in this snow out here, because we all know it's gonna be black ice all over the place here in Warner Robins and surrounding areas, because Georgia is never, at least north, central and south Georgia, we are never prepared for snow. And I can't even see the lines. It's the roads are covered in snow. We can't even see where the lines are. So driving at the safe speed at around 35 miles per hour, making our way around town just as safely as possible. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know this kind of sucks that I couldn't change the tire out in the snow, but hopefully we get another one later on today or tonight, or maybe early in the morning with it just still snow on the ground and everything. So please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, comment down below of your thoughts, opinions, concerns, suggestions. Click the share button for all your to share with your friends, families, homies, neighbors, cats, dogs, aliens, everybody, anything and everything. And also share my videos that I have released before. I'm gonna safely make it back to home base and see what we got later on tonight. So y'all have a great day. God bless.